Hey YouTube, we're gonna do this song by Westerman, and it's called Confirmation. Must be about ordering stuff online and then you get an email. But maybe not. No, it just seems like a serious song, but it kind of sounds to me like Thomas Dolby almost. But it is a guitar song. It sounds like a real synthesizer and smooth. High production value, but the guitar is real clean, but it's got a heavy chorus, heavy reverb, heavy delay on there. So it sounds very processed, and it's got like a very, the attack on the guitar is very like soft. Basically, there's two parts to this song. One is the chorus, and that's how the song begins. The other one is like what we call the verse. Cha 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 cha, cha 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 cha, cha cha cha. It's got kind of a weird rhythm. So it goes through this twice. Playing this would be a part of a B flat, but we're just playing strings A and D at the 8th fret. But that's part of a B flat. This is strings D, G, and B, 4, 3, and 2 at the 6th. Alright, so cha 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 cha. Da, da, da. The bass is playing those little counter melodies. So then after we go to the 6th fret on, and this is basically an A shape, like your A you learn in the open position. Well, we're just playing it at the 6th fret. Part of a C sharp chord. Then we go to kind of like where we began, except now we're going to do it on the 6th fret on the strings A and D. And then we go to the A shape at the 8th fret. So there's 4 chords there, but they're very symmetrical. They're all located on the 6th and the 8th frets. That repeats twice. Now we go into like what I call the verse. We're kind of playing this similar, we're playing this shape right out of the chorus. This is part of a G sharp. I'm just playing it at the 6th fret on strings A and D. Blame it on the establishment. So easy. Okay, so that verse is, we start out with that G sharp on strings A and D. Then we go to this A shape at the 6th. We played that in the chorus already. Then we just slide that shape down to the 4th fret. And then it goes down to the 2nd fret. And then it goes back to that G sharp shape on the 6th fret. So you have that. part of this G sharp power chord. This is the C sharp. We're just playing this. Then you go. This is a B. That's played at the 4th fret. And then we go to A at the 2nd fret. And then we go back to that G. And then it goes into the chorus. Don't you ever know? Confirmation, you don't think too much about it. There is a little guitar solo riff thing. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's A string at the 3rd fret. You just slide it up to the 4th and back down. You do the same thing on the D string, except you're going to start on the 5th fret and go up to 6th. And you go back and do that on the 3rd fret on the A string again. And then, that time after you do the little slide, 3, 4, 3, you finish on 6 and then after going 6 on the A string, you go 1, 3. And I think the synthesizer solo is played. Basically, we're playing E flat or B flat major. But we're playing it out of the at the 8th position, like out of a pentatonic shape there. Playing the relative minor. That would be for the vocal melody and the synth solo. Alright, so that's Westerman. Hopefully that makes things less complicated, more easy to wrap your head around. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.